Well, I was going to make a video about the things that I have left to do to Whitney 850. One of the things I was afraid was going to be like a head rebuild, or at least like one of those things where you have to drop the oil pan to replace the reuptake tube O-rings, and I can't get it to make the sound. It sounds happy and healthy, and I can't get it to make the tapping noise anymore. So I'm not entirely sure if that rebuild is going to be necessary at this point. I think the next things that I need to have done are have the various chips and cracks in the windshield replaced. Also, I believe the glass is broken in one of my headlights. Need to replace that. I think that the rear tires were on the front and kind of suffered some unusual wear as a result of the broken front end that I drove on for a while. And I would like to get the dashboard pulled out and sort of reattached, because it's loose in there and it rattles around quite a lot whenever you're on bumpy roads. So still waiting for it to make the noise. Sounds healthy to me. I don't quite wait. I thought I could hear it, but it was very light, very faint. Oh well. Alright, so it's the morning of the next day, and just went for a quick little run, and it's making the noise again. Other than that, it's running great. It really sounds to me like I got in there with a probe again, and the injectors, I mean, that's not injector noise. It doesn't sound like injector noise to me. That to me sounds like the slap of a little hydraulic piston in there. So, I don't know. The two things that I heard that I have to do in order to solve this are to yoink the head and redo the little hydraulic pads that are in there, because some of them may have gone bad, or because it's an intermittent issue, it makes me think that these that I can avoid yoinking the head by dropping the pan out and replacing the O-rings that suck oil back up to the top end of the engine, because as you can hear, I think that top end is a little oil starved. I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions as to what it could be or what I should do next, leave a comment down below. Other than that, Whitney 850, out of here.